Okay, so what I want to do is I want to graph all 5 of these vectors, tail to head to tail to head to tail to head. So basically in a nice, jaggedy line all the way, and then we'll worry about the resultant next. So really, what I want to do is I want to have like an x and a y, and I want my graph, I guess, to start at 0, 0, and let's kind of center these, make it look prettier, even though no one's going to see it. So 0, 0, and then, so where would the end point be of my first vector? Well, that's why we have I hats and j hats, right? My ending would be, my ending I hat would be at 0, and my ending j hat would be at 30 for this first vector. So what I want to do is I want to, in this one, I'll do equals, and I'll take the previous cell, and I'll add on the first I hat, and getting a spinning wheel. There we go. Okay, so my second point is 0, and then here I'll do equals. I'll take my first point plus my second point. Now would be 30, and so now I'll go from 0, 0 to 0, 30. Okay. All right. Now I want to add on the next vector. So I'm going to just add because I want to start at 0, 30 is where I want to start at and go to the next point. So I would take 0, 30 and I would add on then the next I hat and j hat. I'm still at 0 I hat. I would go 26 more over I hat and minus 15 more j hat. So really what I can do here is just copy this down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be like that, I think. And 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 0, 0, and then I went from 0, 30, and then I should have added on 26, and I should have taken off 15, which I do, and so now I'm at that point, and then I would take off 26 and take off 15, and look at I'm back at 0, 0 there. And then I would add on 32.2 and take off negative 27, so that's where I'm at. And then I would take off 29.5, and I would add on 51.1, and I'd be there. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah. So this last thing is as a resultant, so I don't need to worry about that. That I should end up with the exact point of where my resultant I hats and j hats were. Okay, let's go ahead and change some of these in here so we don't come back to 0. There we go. Okay, all right, so technically all I need to do is graph that.